Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the LMFX broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select LMFX and then click on Register on the website. You enter the website section, click on Register, and then go to the registration section. In the registration section, you enter your first name, last name, as well as your email and mobile phone number, and specify your country, date of birth, and the currency you will be working with. Finally, you confirm the website's terms by checking the box and then click on Register. You enter your email, select LMFX registration, and in this section, you click on this link. Then, another email will be sent to you from LMFX that contains your account, login information. You enter your email and click on Welcome LMFX again. Then, in this section, you will see your ID along with the password and broker that you copy these details. Then you simply enter your account login information and finally click on Login. And then you log into your account, and as you can see, you need to upload documents such as an ID card, passport, etc. on the LMFX website, and you can start depositing and withdrawing. Good luck.